Good morning, kids. How are you all? How do you do? Everyone is doing good? Yes. I hope everyone is fine at your home. Okay, kids? See, everybody come closer. Come on. Yes, you look at the table. Look at the table. So, can you guess what's our concept today? Do you have any idea about this one? No? Okay, ma'am, let me teach you what concept we are going to see today. See, these are the grinds. Everybody repeat. These are the grinds. Okay, kids. Have you ever seen these grinds? Yes? Yes, look at here. These are the grinds. See? So, what is it? What is it, this one? What is this? Look at here. Yes, this is a rice. Everybody say, this is a rice. Next, this one, wheat. Come on, everybody look at this one. Yes, this is a wheat. Next, see here this one. This one is bajra. Everybody repeat. This one is bajra. Next, this one is maize. Look at the maize. This one, see. This is a maize. And see. Can you guess what's the name of the grind? Yes, this one is this is also one of the maize. Okay, kids. Next. So, usually we say that this one is corn. We used to eat that corn, kids. Yes, we are getting this maize from this corn. Next, this one, look at here. What is this? Yes, this is white in color. Can you guess what's the name of the grind? Yes, this one is a jowar. What's the name of the grind? Jowar. Okay, kids? Can you understand? See, these are the grinds. Yes, this is rice, wheat, bajra, maize, corn and jowar. Okay, kids? These are the grinds. Why we are telling this one is grinds? Yes, these grinds which we grows from the grass plant. These are the grinds, These grinds, all grains, pulses and cereals, everything comes from the plant. But particularly, these grains comes from the grass plant. See, rice from the rice grass, wheat from the wheat grass, and bajra from the bajra grass, maize from the maize grass, corn from the corn grass, and jowar from the jowar grass. So, these all grains comes from the grass family. Okay, kids? So, we call this grass cereals. Everybody repeat. Cereals. These grains which we get from the grass are called cereals. Okay, kids? Once again, everybody repeat. What is the name of these grains? Cereals. Come on. Yes. These grains which we get from the grass are called cereals. Can you understand? Yes. These are the cereals. Next, see, these cereals, broken into, these cereals, we cannot broken into two parts. See here, see this one, look at here, yes, look at here, this one is a chenna, yes, so these cereals, we cannot break into two parts. These cereals, rice, wheat, bajra, maize, corn and jowar, So while we broke the time, we cannot break into two parts. See this chana dal? See this chana dal? I am peeling the skin. Then I can break into two parts. See? I can break into two parts. Yes, this chana I can break into two parts. But these cereals we cannot break into two parts. Yes? Yes. See here? Yes, these cereals we cannot break into two parts. Okay? Can you understand? Yes, these cereals, so the grains which we comes from the grass are called cereals. So grass means usually cow eats grass. Yes ma'am, already I showed you grass. So like that type of plant growing this grains are called cereals. Okay kids, and the one more thing that we cannot break this cereal into halves. Okay, next so everybody we know the rice, Yes, every day we are eating the rice for our lunch. Yes, yes, by using this rice we can make a rice and we can make a idli, dosa, and we are making a many food from the rice, Yes, so in our food every day we are using this rice for our lunch. Yes, next see this wheat. Yes, from this wheat only we are making roti, chapati, puri also. Yes, yes. Next see this bajra. Yes, so bajra also one of the cereals. From the bajra also we are making a food. Yes, porridge. Yes, porridge we are making from this bajra. Next, see this maize. Yes, from this maize also we can make from the bajra and maize also we can make a porridge, and dosa also we can make it, Yes, from this corn we are making cornflakes. Yes, cornflakes, and we can make upma and some dosas also. Yes, next see here, this one is a jowar. So jowar, so when do we use the jowar, baby? So in which food, while we cook the time we are using jowar. Yes, our mother usually she will prepare payasam, Yes, sweet ones. She will make a payasam. By the time we are using this jowar. Yes, yes. Can you understand, kids? Can you understand? Yes, these are the cereals. So cereals also very, very healthy food. Okay kids, can you understand? Cereals also very, very healthy food. These cereals also we are getting from the grass plant. Okay kids, at your home every mother she is having this cereals in her kitchen. So kids, you go and explore this cereals in your kitchen, and if you find time, just you do this activity and you send me in WhatsApp. Okay kids?
Careful, tiger. Don't destroy the plants. Even they have life. I am a plant, your friends are green. All around you I am seen. My main parts are the stems and roots, leaves, colorful flowers and fruits. We are roots, underground we grow. In search of water, deeper we go. We suck water through our walls and fix the plant so it doesn't fall. I am a stem, and because of me a plant can stand upright, you see. I connect all parts with the roots, to them I supply water and food. I am a leaf, I'm mostly green. In many shapes and sizes I'm seen. I cook food for the plant in sunlight. Just like you, I breathe day and night. I am a flower with petals so bright, scented, colorful or white. I have very sweet nectar in me that's loved by birds, butterflies and bees. I am a fruit from a flower I grow. I have seeds in me that you sow. I taste sour when I'm unripe, juicy and sweet when I am ripe. I'm so sorry. I'll try to be more careful next time.